Hi, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I'm back with more money-saving ideas. Today I'm sharing easy Christmas crafts that are super cute and can be made using inexpensive dollar store supplies. First up is a sweet wreath made using green pipe cleaners. Grab a pipe cleaner, twist it tightly around a pencil, and slide it off. Do this 4 times. Then, take the 4 twisted pipe cleaners and slide them onto a 5th pipe cleaner. Form it into a wreath shape and twist at the top to make a little hanger. To finish, add some embellishments using white glue or hot glue. I added pom-pom holly berries and a little black and white gingham bow. And here's how it looks on my tree. Let me know, what do you think of this one? Next up is a snowman hat made using the Jenga block game from the dollar store. I started by using hot glue to attach the 3 blocks together into the shape of a hat, and then I painted it black with craft paint. Once the paint was dry, I attached a bit of scrap ribbon with hot glue, and then I added 3 pom-pom snowballs. It's cute like this, but I thought it would be fun to add the year. I printed a decal with my Cricut and used transfer tape to attach it. I'm using mine on a tiered tray, but if you wanted it to be an ornament, you could add a twine hanger. I love these wooden ornaments that they sell at Dollarama. They come in a package of 50 for only $4. You can use them a bunch of ways, but I like turning them into simple Santas with a bit of paint, a wood bead nose, and a twine hanger. I have many more Christmas videos planned, so if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.